1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, Professor. Are we in sport class?
No. I just want to be sure I perform well in my next boxing session. Okay, we are done for today. Welcome, class, to the thrilling world of portfolio performance. Today, we're diving into the thrillingly exhilarating topic of how to measure how well your investments are doing. Spoiler alert, it's not just about how many zeros you have in your bank account.
Professor, what exactly is portfolio performance?
Tim, great question. Portfolio performance measures how well your investments are doing. Think of it as the report card for your financial wizardry. Did you get straight A's or just barely pass? Only the performance measures will tell.
What are they and how can we measure them?
First up, we have the return on investment, ROI. It's like asking, did my investment grow, and by how much? It's simple and direct, like a math test where you only need to find one answer.
So ROI is just how much money I made.
Precisely. But it has its flaws. It doesn't tell you if you took big risks or if you could have done better elsewhere. It's like getting an A in gym class but failing every other subject.
Got it. What's next?
Okay. The classic Sharpe Ratio. This gem measures how much return you're getting for each unit of risk. It's like saying, how many extra points did I get for not tripping over the hurdles?
So it's like balancing risk and reward?
Exactly. But here's the kicker. It assumes that returns are normally distributed, which is a bit like saying everyone in the world is as predictable as a clock, when, in reality, people are more like unpredictable time bombs.
Got it.
Next up, we have the Sortino Ratio. It's like the Sharpe Ratio, but with a twist. It only looks at negative volatility. It's like saying, I'm only worried about the times I fell flat on my face, not the times I danced like a superstar.
So it's less concerned about all the good stuff.
Exactly. But, just like trying to improve your dance moves without ever dancing, it might miss the full picture. It's only looking at the times you've fallen.
And what's the last one?
Okay. The alpha and beta combo. Alpha measures how much extra return you're getting from your genius stock picking skills, while beta measures how much your portfolio moves with the market. It's like measuring if you're winning the race because you're faster or because everyone else is slow.
So it's about how much better or worse I did compared to the market.
Precisely. But beware, alpha can make you feel like a financial superhero, but it might just be a result of luck. And beta, well, it's like comparing your performance to a roller coaster. You might love the ride or hate it, but it's a wild one.
Got it.
So, there you have it. Portfolio performance is like a complex recipe, and each measure is a different ingredient. Use them wisely, and you'll cook up some impressive results.
Thanks, Professor. I feel like I can finally measure my portfolio without needing a calculator and a crystal ball.
Just remember, Tim, no matter how well you measure, the market's a fickle beast. Now go forth and conquer, or at least make it out without a financial disaster. So, see next time. And goodbye.